Good morning, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan, this is Auto Detour, and this is Finn. So we're going to another car show today, second day in a row doing car shows. We're not bringing the Viper today. We brought the Viper to Cars and Coffee yesterday, which was a kind of a disaster. Sat in traffic for about an hour to get into the show. My leg is seriously sore from running the clutch for an hour in stop and go traffic. But we are taking the S8 today because we have the kids. We got Stella here. Say hi. And Cade's over there ready to go. So we're gonna hop in the S8. We're gonna try to catch the tail end of the MNillest car show. It's right here in Maplewood, so it's just down the road. So another car show for you guys today and some more S8 content. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Here comes Stella. Say hi again. She's certainly not shy. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully we'll catch up with some other people we know at the show and see some really cool cars. So hope you guys stick around for the whole video. We're gonna hop in the S8 and get going. Okay, Finny's in, ready to rock. Cade's in, buckled. Stella still needs a little help, so head over that side. All right, right arm.
Oh, wow. I need to take my necklace off.
Okay.
It's actually bubbles.
Too many accessories.
Yeah.
Okay, lean back.
Wow.
Wow. All right, we're all set.
Hello.
We're all set. Hello. Oh, hi. Yeah. Okay, here we go. All right. Hi, Finny. You ready? Yeah. Okay.
You ready?
All right, guys, here we go.
Here, Dada.
Oh, thank you for your garbage. Oh, Finn, you trying to say something?
Finn, what you doing? What? Can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Finn, say hi. Say hi.
It is turning out to be an absolutely gorgeous day. It rained a few times this morning, so hopefully that doesn't hurt the numbers for the car show. But sun is out now. We got kids in the back. We got sunshine, dry roads, a clean car. I'm just super happy that I'm not gonna have to sit in traffic today for this car show. The S8 is a far more comfortable ride than the Viper if you're at all surprised by that. We got a lineup out here waiting to watch cars leave the parking lot.
Whoa! I like that car right there, right there,
Look who it is.
Yeah, I'm over there.
Okay.
So
Like-
see if you can
like back
get
that way?
somewhere over to the right.
is Raphael.
How's it going, guys?
That man's Gordo on YouTube.
Yeah, I got
out-
that new Challenger.
Yeah, we gotta come check it out.
Yeah, come check it out. I'm finally about to head out right now because there's not really nothing but.
All right, well,
Yeah.
I gotta find a place to park. I gotta wander around a little bit.
All right, sounds good, man.
All right, we'll see you in a
Yeah.
second. All right, we made it. Cade's in charge of pushing the baby stroller. Stella's here. Alex found us a place to park, which seems like a lot of people are leaving, but that's all right. They're being a little obnoxious though. But here's Finny. What do you think, Finn? Did we find it? There's the S8, looking sharp. All right, let's wander around. Look at the front mount. Hey.
My buddy's with Eric.
Eric. Oh,
Jason.
Jason.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I've seen a couple of your
I'm
videos.
Ryan.
I'm Bree.
Bree, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, here it is.
Finally.
Finally,
In the flesh.
out and about. It's my first time seeing the Talon. So Alex, I'll try to block the wind here. You want to tell us a little bit what you've done to it?
Everything. It's got a built motor. I just rebuilt the transmission. I bought the car as just a shell and basically built the whole thing in the last 3 years. So everything that you see has been touched by me.
Oh, and he just did a video on putting CTSV brakes on this thing. This looks super sweet. Make sure you go subscribe to Alex's channel. I'll put it on the screen here, but it's super clean, man.
Yeah, I love this car. 79,000 miles on it. 94.
Yeah.
Hey, so if you guys are gonna be douchebags, don't be that douchebag. Please. I'm gonna tell you right now, please be respectful, like I said, one more time.
Pretty. And here's the Hudson crew. We got Hudson Huracan here, Freedom's GTR, all carbon fiber, and of course Lambo Dad's Lamborghini Gallardo. Let's see if we can find him wandering around here somewhere. Yeah. All right, well, the police are here to shut it down. So this is what happens when everyone is being an idiot and revving their engines and two-stepping and doing burnouts at the show. So don't be that guy. It really ruins it for everybody. So they've asked everybody to leave now, so we're gonna head out. Hopefully we can run into Ryan, Lambo Dad. It's fun running into Alex, but yeah, time to go, I guess. All right, guys, the police are here to shut it down, so we gotta go. Because everybody's being too loud. Can't get enough of the green on these Huracans. Absolutely gorgeous. Still got the new car plastic under the mats. Well played. Man, such a beautiful car. We have the forged carbon back here in the sun. Looks really, really cool. Right, well, we finally ran into Lambo Dad.
The place is empty. Now I like it right here.
I know, it's much quieter now.
Yeah, and then we can get in,
Yeah, we can actually get into the
get
show.
into the car shows.
You know,
And this
well,
one it's got food. There's some biffies. I like this. This
you know,
is nice.
the important things.
Yeah.
So anyway, go subscribe to Lambo Dad on YouTube.
And Instagram,
follow on
follow us.
Instagram.
For
Yeah.
sure.
Lambo_Dad with 2 D's at the end.
Hoodies.
Check
We
out
will
that
have-
merch too.
Yes, we will have this soon.
So awesome. All right, guys, we're taking off. Say bye to Alex. Finn, say bye to Alex.
Bye.
go subscribe to Alex's YouTube channel and follow him on Instagram. He is crushing the Instagram game, and we're trying to get him to 1,000 YouTube subscribers.
Yes,
So
that for sure. That's gotta happen.
always fun running into Alex. Go check out his 450 plus
I don't know. We're dynoing it next week though.
some crazy horsepower on that Eagle Talon over there. So anyway, we're gonna head out. I'm gonna get the kids some lunch. They're getting hangry, but always a pleasure running into you, Alex. I'd shake your hand, but I'm holding the baby and the camera. So. We are back at the house now. If nothing else, we got a good opportunity to get the car washed, get it cleaned up and looking nice, drive the S8 again. Got to meet up with Ryan, Lambo Dad. Got to meet up with Alex from Alex Talon. What did you guys think? You guys have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you think, Finny? Did you have a good time?
Did you?
Yeah. One of you guys want to close out the video?
Me.
Hey, what do you need to say?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
See you next time. See you next time.
See you next time. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.